Jamaican pop singer Millie Small was an instant star with her joyful voice. Millie's shrill, joyful vocals, married to a galloping ska rhythm in Olympic Studios in London in an arrangement by the Jamaican master guitarist Ernest Ringland, were beamed out all that summer from the new pirate radio stations, such as Caroline, that were instrumental in helping promote the record. In May 1964, 2 months after the release of My Boy Lollipop, Millie was given a guest appearance on the ITV special Around the Beatles. In both the UK and the US, My Boy Lollipop was a number 2 hit, kept off the top slot respectively by the Searchers and the Beach Boys. In America, Millie rode the slipstream of the British invasion started by the Beatles 6 months earlier. In New York, she stepped off a plane, dubbed the Lollipop Special by a clever publicist. From the UK to a 30-strong police guard, fans screamed as she was presented with what was said to be the world's largest lollipop. By then a 4-year veteran of the Jamaican music business, and trained to be an utter professional, Millie rose to her sudden brief superstardom with graceful aplomb. "It was just incredible how she handled it," said Blackwell. "She was such a sweet person, very funny, great sense of humor. She was really special." My Boy Lollipop, released in March 1964, Small's cover was a massive hit, reaching number 2 both in the UK singles chart and in the US Billboard Hot 100. Including single sales, album usage and compilation inclusions, the song has since sold more than 7 million copies worldwide. Lollipop turned Small into an instant international star, performing with the Beatles on the Fab Four's BBC TV special. Then hosting her own TV special on Finnish national television. She also performed on the British TV show Ready, Steady, Go. These can be seen on YouTube.com, the ABC TV show Shindig, and had a starring role in a BBC TV dramatic presentation. My Boy Lollipop was doubly significant in British music. Small was the first Jamaican artist to have a major hit in the UK and the US. Her recording was the first major smash for Island Records, although it was actually released via Fontana Records because Blackwell did not want to overextend Island's then meager resources, and Small was the first artist to have a hit that was recorded in the so-called bluebeat style. This was a music genre that had recently emerged from Jamaica, and came to be known as ska, is the direct ancestor of reggae. Small continued to tour and perform up to the early 1970s. There is a video of Small's live performance at the 1970 Wembley Reggae Festival on August 6, 2011, the 49th anniversary of Jamaica's independence. The Governor-General created Small a Commander in the Order of Distinction, for her contribution to the Jamaican music industry. The award was accepted on her behalf by former Prime Minister Edward C.